Welcome to Aquaplaticodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Some people say AI is on the verge of surpassing human intelligence. Today, we're here to showcase just how far human creativity can go, leaving AI in the dust. If AI were truly surpassing us, it should be able to replace CEOs and executives, right? Well, guess what? That's already happening. But not in the way you might think. The ultimate AI-powered CEO scam. Instead of AI running businesses, we now have scammers using AI-generated deepfake voices and fake video calls to impersonate real CEOs. Employees, believing they are following legitimate instructions, have transferred millions of dollars straight into the hands of fraudsters. Some real-world examples: $25 million lost. A deepfake video scam in Hong Kong convinced employees to send massive transfers to criminals posing as executives. Millions stolen in China. AI voice cloning was used to impersonate financial officers, leading to fraudulent fund transfers. Individuals being targeted. Scammers now use fake video calls to impersonate family members and manipulate victims into wiring money. AI versus human creativity, not even close. So, has AI really surpassed humans? Not at all. It's actually human ingenuity that has found the most innovative way to use AI, to outsmart people in the most unexpected ways. AI isn't thinking, strategizing, or making independent decisions. It's just being used by people who know how to take advantage of it. The takeaway: AI may be a powerful tool, but when it comes to true intelligence, strategy, and creativity, humans still reign supreme. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Aquaplaticodon. See you in the next one.